To do back post double crochet, when you insert your hook, you want to look to the back of your work and insert your hook here and here. And this is what it would look like on the other side. This is how you're going to insert your hook before you do your double crochet. So start your double crochet as normal, yarn over, and flip your work forward, and put your hook through the post like that. From here, you're going to yarn over and pull through the post and complete your double crochet as normal. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And you can see that the crochet is sitting in the back. The 2 contrasting colors shows you that part of the stitch is visible in the front. So let's do that one more time. Yarn over, flip your work towards you, and put your hook under the post. Yarn over and pull up a loop through the post. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. And I use my thumb to hold the stitch forward so it's easier to work with. And there you have it, back post double crochet.